In this video, I'm going to break down the top 10 freelance jobs online that are for beginners, and it doesn't require any type of degree. Now, these jobs can pay over $100,000 per year, and I have actually done a few of these personally. So this list was actually created by Upwork, who generated over $4 billion a year in revenue and has insights on the best freelance jobs online for beginners. So let's dig right in, and you're gonna wanna stick around for the whole video because some of these jobs actually pay over $200,000 per year, and you can do it from anywhere in the world, and you can do it from the comfort of your laptop. What if I told you you already have the skill to make $100,000 per year, but you just haven't used it yet? It's a skill you've already been developing for years and years, and you started learning about it probably when you were 5 or 6. And what I'm talking about is content writing. If you enjoy writing, or even if you don't, content writing is one of the easiest freelance jobs to start as a beginner. You just need the ability to write clearly and persuasively. Businesses are constantly in need of articles, blog posts, website copy, emails, and so much more. Sites like Upwork, freelancer.com, and Fiverr are excellent platforms where you can showcase your writing skills and land big clients, even if you don't have any experience. You know, I've been able to utilize platforms like Upwork to earn over 6 figures every single year with content writing. And if this is something that resonates with you, I actually will have a free training on how to use AI to accelerate all this process below in the description. What if you got paid for spending time on social media platforms like Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram? Well, what I'm talking about is a social media manager. You know, as a beginner, you can dive into the world of social media management pretty easily. Businesses, especially small ones, often struggle to maintain an active social media presence. That's where you come in. As a social media manager, you can create posts, engage with followers, and grow the brand's online community, all from the comfort of your home. The best part is you don't need a ton of prior experience, just an understanding of how social media works and a good sense of what's trending. Now, a big pro tip is if you can familiarize yourself with social media tools like Canva for creating posts, Hootsuite or Buffer for scheduling content, these tools will make your job a lot more easier and efficient. Social media management is one of those things where companies want to essentially pay you X amount of dollars per month and then be able to generate 2 or 3 times that from their social media campaigns. And one final pro tip here, guys, if you learned something new or if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button for new videos I'm putting out every single week on how to earn from anywhere. Did you excel at art class, or you just love creating designs? Well, the next job is gonna be perfect for you, and that's a designer. Graphic design is one of the hottest freelance jobs where creativity meets opportunity. If you have a good eye for design or enjoy creating visual content, graphic design is going to be a great freelance job for beginners. You don't need a degree to get started. You just need a good grasp of design software like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, or even free tools like Canva. Businesses are constantly in need of logos, brochure, business cards, social media graphics, and even improving things on their website. You can start building a portfolio with small projects, and you'll be on your way to landing bigger, more lucrative gigs. Now, the pro tip here is to start offering design graphics for local businesses and nonprofits for free or at a reduced rate to start building your portfolio quickly, but make sure you ask them for testimonials and referrals after you delivered a really great experience for them. Are you organized and pretty well put together? Understand how to create appointments, organize emails? Well, this next job is going to be perfect for you, and that's a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants are in super high demand as businesses and entrepreneurs are looking for help with a variety of tasks like scheduling appointments, managing emails, conducting research, or just being able to learn quickly about new skills. You don't really need any huge amount of experience to start as a virtual assistant, just good communication skills, organization, and basic computer knowledge. This role is perfect for beginners because you can often find part-time or flexible gigs to fit around your schedule. The pro tip for this is as you grow more confident, you can offer specialized services like bookkeeping or social media management to increase your value and your hourly rates. One of the highest paid freelance jobs for beginners is web development. If you're good at building websites or understanding how to code things, web development is going to be a job that can pay upwards of $200,000 to $300,000 per year. Even without an expensive 4-year degree, you can become a freelance web developer. Platforms like WordPress and Shopify have made website building accessible to beginners. With a bit of practice and a willingness to learn, you can start creating websites for small businesses and entrepreneurs. There's plenty of online tutorials and free courses to help you learn about HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, which are a lot of the building blocks for most websites. But again, even if you just know how to use no-code platforms like Elementor, Divi, or Bubble, or any of these other no-code sites, you're going to be able to offer a lot of those services if you know how to use these. You can start off by building your own personal website as your own portfolio and then use that as an example for what you can deliver for clients. One of the most in-demand and highest paying jobs out there is being able to help businesses rank higher on Google, and this is what an SEO specialist does. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is crucial for businesses that want to be found online. SEO specialists help websites rank higher in search engine results, driving more traffic and, in the end, more sales for the business. While it might sound pretty technical, beginners can easily learn the essentials of SEO through online resources, and there's so many free tutorials out there on how you can get started. You can conduct keyword research and optimize content to improve search rankings. A few of my favorite tools out there are Ahrefs and Yoast for creating content. There's a lot of other great ones out there as well. And one of the newest tools that I've seen out there is Surfer SEO, which is one of the coolest tools. Essentially, if you just learned how to use Surfer and create content that's SEO optimized for people, you could start your own business and be a very skilled freelancer. And guys, if you learned something new there, you're gonna love this next part. I've partnered up with Amazon's Audible to give you a free copy of my #1 best-selling book, Global Career: How to Work Anywhere and Travel Forever. Global Career has been featured in prestigious publications like Forbes, CNBC, Entrepreneur Magazine, and even Lonely Planet. And with over 500 positive reviews, this book has helped hundreds of thousands earn from anywhere. To get your free copy and start a 30-day free trial of Audible, all you have to do is visit globalcareerbook.com/audio today, or just scan the QR code on the screen here. If you're looking for a high-paid, relatively easy job to get started as a freelancer, if you're a beginner, well, you're gonna wanna check out data entry. Now, data entry is one of the easiest and most accessible freelance jobs for beginners. It requires no real special skills other than attention to detail and being able to follow instructions. As a data entry specialist, you'll input data into systems, organize files, and ensure everything is accurate. While it may not be the most glamorous job, it's a great way to start earning consistent income while working from home. Again, accuracy is going to be the key, and you need to find a system where you're able to double check and improve your experience by making things more efficient. Are you fluent with multiple languages and want to start monetizing this really unique skill? And well, this is where a translator is going to be a great freelance job. You can essentially put your language skills to work as a freelance translator. Translators are always in demand for converting written content from one language to another, whether it's translating documents, websites, or even marketing materials. Businesses around the world need language experts to help them communicate with international audiences. You don't really need a degree to get started, just your language skills and a good grasp of grammar in both languages. If you're creative and technical, this is going to be the best job for you. And what I'm talking about is a web designer. And this is going to be a great freelance job for beginners, even if you don't have a degree. Web design differs slightly from web development. While developers focus on the technical side, web designers focus on the visual aspects, creating an engaging user experience. You don't really need a formal education to become a web designer, just a keen eye for design knowledge of tools like WordPress, Squarespace, Shopify, Webflow, Again, this is going to be an ideal job for someone who enjoys creativity and working on long-term projects. If you're on YouTube, you probably might be a great fit for this job, and this is one of the best freelance jobs to start. And I'm talking about video editors. Video content is booming, and businesses, influencers, and content creators all need this skill as skilled video editors to bring their footage to life. If you enjoy working with video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut, iMovie, or even CapCut, you can offer services as a freelance video editor. No degree is required, just a passion for storytelling and a bit of practice with editing tools. All of these jobs are going to be great, but again, I'm going to leave a free training on how you can get started with freelance writing and utilizing AI. And again, to get access to that limited time training, all you have to visit is copysharks.com/landing, and I'll leave a link below. And again, guys, I'm going to leave another video up here in the corner that's going to be hand selected just for you.